Spike levels. Spike is the proportion of illegal killed elephants in NRT landscape. So the graph you're seeing here is a graph showing the pike levels from 2009 when we had the early conservancies to date. 33% of the pike shows that the population is unsustainable. So we always strive to have a thriving population of a pike level of 33% and below. So when you see the graph between the years 2010, 2011, and 2012 to 2013, that was the highest levels of poaching, and the pikes were way beyond the acceptable limits according to CITES. 2012 in particular was when we were having high levels of poaching. The poachers had changed their modus operandi, hunting at night, using sophisticated weapons. Northern Kenya is kind of a lot of illegal firearms, but through the community conservation efforts, the government, the ban on illegal ivory trade, steadily showed that the wildlife are now reaching sustainable levels at a pike level of 20% in 2022. It should be less in 2023 because now we have good rains, the drought has just gone, and pike is about illegal killing due to conflict and also illegal killing due to poaching. So you can see that we are in a very stable population now, which is really thriving. These are the trends in the NRT member conservancies in terms of elephant deaths. The red is the poaching in the graph on your left. The green is unknown, and green is natural, and the gray is unknown. Those ones that we cannot really ascertain. The yellow is human wildlife conflict deaths. So you see the red is steadily going to zero levels, but we are having a high problem on natural deaths due to drought in the last 2 years. And they are known because we could really not ascertain that. But the yellow, human wildlife conflict, is going up. So on the right is the graph on poaching, which is red versus the yellow. So we are steadily having, so for the last 5 years, we have recorded almost 1 or 2 elephant deaths due to poaching, trophy poaching. But the yellow is going up. That's a national thing that we're really now discussing as NRT, as stakeholders. It's reached national levels to discuss. It's almost becoming a crisis, and it is as a result of the shrinking wildlife space, human population growth, and factors like that. But we are happy, at least with the communities as our first line of defense and working with government, the poaching has really gone down.